Work Truck Talk presents the 2022 Silverado 3500 single rear wheel regular cab LT four-wheel drive, complete with service body. This work truck is equipped with a Redding 8-foot Classic 2 utility body, model U98A SW. It is intended for installation on a conventional cab and chassis with single rear wheels and a 56-inch cab-to-axle dimension. It includes 12-gauge galvanized pressed diamond floor, automotive rubber door seal with mechanical seals, flush mounted stainless steel paddle handle rotary locks keyed alike, hidden door hinges with overlapping door construction, adjustable striker pins, slam action double wall pickup style tailgate which is 14 inches high, one shelf in each horizontal compartment, two shelves in each front vertical compartment, and one shelf in each rear vertical compartment comes standard. All ICC lights and reflectors, mud flaps, grab handles with a pooched rear bumper are installed on this chassis. Redding offers 3 standard powder coat options. This one is in white. They also offer black and red. This truck also has a 2-inch square tube utility body receiver hitch with a 7-way flat pin trailer plug. This truck has a Vanguard ladder rack cantilever style with a window guard, made of steel, painted black. It also comes equipped with a Thor 3000 watt inverter mounted on the passenger side front compartment. This 2022 Silverado 3500 single rear wheel regular cab LT four-wheel drive in Summit White has a 6.6 liter V8 gasoline engine. The GVWR on this truck is rated for 11,100 pounds. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission with a rear axle ratio of 3.73. This LT model also offers the PCL convenience package from GM, which includes a dual-zone climate control, 10-way power driver seat, heated driver and front passenger seats, leather-wrapped and heated steering wheel, a manual tilt and telescoping steering column, a rear window defogger, keyless open and start key fob, a theft deterrent system, LED fog lamps, and rear wheelhouse liners. This truck has 18-inch machined aluminum wheels with silver accents. It also has a LED roof marker lamps and equipped with a snowplow prep camper package including an upgraded alternator of 220 amps, increased GAWR skid plates, roof emergency light provisions with pass-through option. Thank you for watching this informational video on the Chevy Silverado 2022 LT model 3500. Please watch for more videos and contact me, Bob Nason, at Work Truck Talk at 860-608-7096 to help build your truck today.